Mira Paints the Rain. It had been raining for 3 days in the forest. All the animals were bored and gloomy, but not Mira the mouse. She loved the rain. Mira took out her colourful paints and brushes. She painted puddles into magical lakes, grey skies into pink sunsets, raindrops into sparkly stars. "Why are you painting in the rain?" asked the fox. Mira smiled. "Because beauty doesn't disappear, it just hides sometimes." Soon the other animals joined. They painted trees with rainbow leaves and mushrooms with polka dots. The forest came alive with colour even though the rain still fell. That day everyone learned, sometimes the best sunshine comes from inside you. You don't need the sun to create light. Creativity brings its own sunshine. Art